somebody pulled up. Now you're rather leaning, aren't you? Are you making a big water splash? He's totally wet. Splash, splash.
He's pulling himself up.
Now he's laying on the door. He's not even with his feet on the floor. Oh, there you go. Hey, big guy. You like water, don't you? He's just... What are you doing? Splashing? Soon all the water will be gone, then what? This is Wesley's first official standing that he pulled up to by himself. Ooh, good catch. Wow, how long are you gonna last here, buddy? That's impressive. Oh, bonk! Up he goes again. Gonna stay on the knees this time. No, boy. He's a big boy.